Welcome back to the channel where we're talking about everything Web3 launchpads, whether it's IFOs, IDOs, launchpads, a way that you can get brand new tokens that are about to list for a ridiculously cheap price. Now, guys, there may be some of these tokens that don't do very well after launch, but the majority of these, you can make 1000% on purchase as it's in the Launchpad. Today, I'm going to show you the Binance Launchpad, show you some of the older tokens and how well they did and how much you could have made. And then I'm going to give you one hidden gem that's about to launch on Binance. You've got a few days yet, all right? So you have to stay to the end of the video. I'm not going to announce it right now. Make sure you stay tuned. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Guys, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only, all right? So you can see here, guys, on Binance's token launch platform. This is their launch pool, all right? And what happens is when a token wants to list, okay, wants to become a real life token, they pick somewhere to launch, whether it's Binance, PancakeSwap, somewhere that has IFOs or launch pools. Okay, Binance is probably the most popular, and they do extremely well because it's your chance to get this really, really discounted. I say discounted because it will sometimes go back to that price. Sometimes it will fly to the moon. So for example, I want to show you one here. Res. This is a completed token. So this is listed now, the liquid restaking protocol of Res. Okay, now, how does this work? There's a total airdrop of 250 million of these tokens with project duration of 6 days, and the project has already ended, as you can see. All right, guys, the total locked 3 billion plus in FDUSD, all right, and 18 million in BNB. Now, you can see how many participants got involved in this, nearly 250,000 and nearly 250,000 in the BNB pool. If you actually click on these guys, you can go further into this. So having a look at their history, okay, this is absolutely insane. It was a 6-day duration, okay, guys, with huge amount of growth. Now, when you look at the growth of this, which I will show you on the chart very soon, you will see that as these tokens launch, you can get some serious profit. Okay, so whether it is you're doing the BNB pool or the FDUSD pool, you decide. Okay, guys, and this is just one of the completed tokens. If we go back, you can see some of the others. Okay, so for example, NLT, I'm going to take you to the chart and show you, we don't need to go in details because I just showed you that. I'm going to show you how much you could have possibly made. So guys, you can see May was when this was launched, okay, and it was incredible. So May the 16th it launched, you get your tokens, how many airdrops that you want. So you can see on the NOT token, for example, you can see over 3.081 billion. Over 3 billion was airdrops. So guys, if you got a good allocation of that, all right, you can see where your price would be. Now, if we actually click on the analysis, the real technical analysis of this, I want to go to the ruler and show you what kind of percent you could have got. So guys, it launched on the 16th. Okay, we told you that. That's when it finished. You got in at the bottom price because that's when it launched. Now, watch this. At its height, guys, you could have got 4,575% gains. Now, even if you didn't stay glued to your computer on the 16th of April, which again, I told you at the start, most of these coins drop a little bit after the price because people sell. So make sure you do take profit. But even if you didn't get it at the top, and you got it at the next height, okay, a week later, you still would have made 4,146%, all because you went on to the Binance Launchpool and you saw a new token listed and you got involved. So I know what you're waiting for. Told you I would give you the next token that's going to come up, and it is Cybro. Cybro is about to list. Okay, guys, this is going insane. This will be launched on the Launchpool. You can get involved from this. It's an incredible project, an AI-based yield aggregator platform on the Blast blockchain, guys. All right, there's already 4,234 holders. They're going to get ready to see that huge growth once launched on Binance, okay? Cybro is really cool. They're launching a crypto investment platform that secures vaults offering high APY new features based on your feedback, all right? It's a safe way to invest that they claim, earning reliably, and your input shapes what's next. Now, Binance don't usually just list tokens if they are not ready to go, all right? If they're not fully transparent, they won't get listed most of the time. So this is a huge token, guys. You can get some of these percentages that I've showed you here. It might be lower, it might be 1%, it might be 1,000, it might not even do that well. But majority of these do, as you can see here, okay? Most of these, when you check them on the chart, I've done absolutely fantastic. The total funds rate on Binance, 180 million already. Insane, nearly 1 billion staked. So this is an easy way, guys, and I'm going to be talking about this every single day on this channel. Different ways that you can find launch pools, IFOs, and find new tokens that are so discounted that if you sell them at the top, you can make thousands and thousands % in a day. Unbelievable, guys. All right, so hit that like button, hit subscribe button, the bell button notified, hit the link down below to go and follow exactly what I've been talking about today. Get ready for Cybro, okay? That's the next one that's going to be coming. I'm going to do a video tomorrow because there's another one about to launch on Binance, so make sure you stay tuned.